What's up guys, welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be showing you a different way to go into a handstand. And it's also a great way for a handstand progression or handstand push-up progression if you're trying to learn that as well. It's called the pike push-up to handstand. And the way you go into it is you start in the pike position, you go down into the pike push-up, you raise your legs up, and then you press back up. Let me show you what it is. Like I said, this is a great move to learn, especially if you're trying to go into a different way into a handstand, if you're trying to challenge your core, your shoulder strength, maybe even try to learn a handstand push-up. So if you're ready to learn this move, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. All right, let's get into it. So that is the pike push-up to handstand. Like I said, this is a great move to learn, especially if you're trying to learn handstand push-ups, because as you can see, it's a great progression for handstand push-ups when you're doing the pike push-up and then pressing up. It's also a great way to go into a different way to go into a handstand. So if you enjoyed this video and you might like more content like these, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.